Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I got another maintenance issue I'm going to deal with right now. I'm going to get up on the top of the camper and I'm going to clean the AC coils. I got some of this, what is this? Pura Filter 2000. It's a coil cleaner foaming solvent. So I'm going to use that and a brush. We're going to get this AC coil cleaned out. The first thing I do is to cut all the power to the AC unit. Now I'm going to take this Phillips head screwdriver and I'm going to take the screws out of the cover here and get the shroud off the AC. Next, I'm going to take my fingernail brush and a blower and get all the debris out from around the coils. Alright, so it says turn the system off, which we've done, disconnect power unit while cleaning, shake can well, spray liberally on condenser fins and or evaporator coils, allow the cleaner to break down residue and dirt for several minutes. Okay, then it says to rinse off with spray of water, self-rinsing on condensate producing coils. For heavy solid buildup, repeat application. One 19-ounce can will cover and clean one large unit. Suggested 2 times per year, spring and fall. Allow time for coils to dry before restarting the system. Use throughout the year as needed to keep your system running at optimal performance. All right, let's give this a good shake. We'll get the condenser fan all sprayed up. All right, we've got the coils sprayed, so we'll let that sit for a little while, let it do its stuff, and then we'll come back. I've got a little squirt bottle with a little water. I'll rinse it off with that squirt bottle. Now I'm going to go ahead and take the box loose and try to get to the evaporator coils. All right, I'm gonna stick some rags down and through here. Keep the water out of the inside. And let's make note of where this probe goes. We'll put it back when we're done. Same procedure for the evaporator coil. I'm going to remove any debris with the blower and the fingernail brush. With the evaporator coil all addressed, I'll go back to the condenser and rinse it off with my squirt bottle and clean up the mess. This will give the evaporator time to soak. I just flip-flop between the two coils while they're in different stages of the cleaning process. I try to blow off all the water after I rinse the coils out. Alright, the condenser side's done. Let's back to the evaporator.
All right, let's get this plenum box back together.
And I just use I got a little bit left over in this, just use it to kind of clean it up.
Let's put the shroud back on this thing and call it done.
And that's all there is to cleaning the AC coils on your air conditioner system. It's really very simple, and it will prolong the life of your RV, and it can keep the mold and stuff down so it doesn't, infect anybody's health or anything. So make sure, if you don't do it yourself, that you have this done. It ought to be done at least once a year. Most of the time they say twice a year on a house, so it depends on how you're living in your RV. Well guys, I hope this helped y'all. If it did, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and leave us a comment in the comment section below. Till next week, stay safe out there.